So for those of you who don't know, we're doing the Undercover Billionaire Challenge. Broke to millionaire in like 90 days or less or something. So we're really soaking in the brokeness right now. I got my pajamas on. I got my turquoise Crocs on with socks. You know, just I'm absorbing all this brokenness, this broke energy, and now I'm gonna flip it into millionaire energy. I'm gonna provide some value in the marketplace. I don't even know how yet. I'm gonna speak to high net worth people, see what they have to tell me. Maybe it's real estate, maybe it's marketing. Who knows? We'll find out by finding people. We haven't even found anybody yet. We just started reaching out the other day. No responses yet. What's up, high net worth people? You don't want to provide value to someone starting out? I would. Just remember where you are in life and where you started. Just give out enough value and people give value back. Just give out love into the world, right? I'm a little delirious right now. It's okay. I'm in the broke state. I'm allowed to be delirious in the broke state. But in the millionaire state, you got to be on point. You got to be focused. You got to be dedicated. You got to have that grand vision, that grandiose idea of how to provide value to the marketplace. And then you just repeat yourself over and over and over with daily consistent action, and then you reach your goals. It's that simple. Or at least I hope it is. We'll find out through this vlog series. I just watched Undercover Billionaire. $5.5 million in 90 days. Uncle G, Grant Cardone created that. So I thought I could do that too. So the first step he did in the 90-day process was find a high net worth individual. So I need to find a high net worth individual I can provide value to. So are there any high net worth individuals out there? Hello, high net worth individuals. Over $1 million in net worth, please. Hello. Oh, that didn't work. I'm too old for this. I go in person and try to meet people, because like no one wants to turn you down in person. You know, I used to be a door-to-door salesman. True story. I worked for AT&T. I sold cable. I was like, hey, you want some cable? A lot of people said no, and where I was doing this was in the South. So I did have a few threatening people say, I have a shotgun. I was like, oh, I have a pen and paper. Like, you know, I'll be your friend. We're gonna do a little meditation video. I'm gonna teach you how to meditate and visualize what you want. It's meditation time. Everybody get clear and focused and relaxed. So go ahead and sit down or lay down in a comfortable position. And you can just listen to this with headphones on or with a nice speaker. Make sure you're not driving. So first what we're gonna do is breathe in through our nose. We're gonna hold it for 4 seconds, and then we're gonna release like this. Hold it and release. We're gonna do this 3 more times. In through your nose, hold it and release. 2 more times. In through your nose, hold it and release. So now with our eyes closed but our mind open, we're gonna picture the perfect day. This is the perfect day in your near future. You've achieved all the goals you wanted to do. You made all the money, you got all the material positions, you got all of your relationships in perfect working order. And this is the day after of achieving all of those goals. So with your eyes closed but your mind open, you're now gonna wake up in your bed on your perfect day in your perfect setting. So go ahead and get out of bed, look around, see if you're with anybody, or if you're by yourself, that's fine too. Now we're gonna walk over to the window and we're gonna look out the bedroom window. What is our view? Really see it in detail. See what kind of view you're living at in your perfect world. You want to remember this view. You want to hold the feeling of so much value and appreciation for experiencing this new reality. And once you absorb this new view and this new reality and you feel amazing, go ahead and leave your bedroom, go get ready, and then go eat a nice meal. And picture the nice meal you're eating. If you're doing it with someone or by yourself, feel your taste buds tasting all the different food. Hold that feeling of this delicious food you're now eating. Really hold that clearly and relaxing. It's delicious. And now we're finishing our meal And we're going to go start our day. We're going to work on something we're really passionate about. Remember, we have all the money in the world. We can do whatever we want. We're going to provide value to people. And now we're going to picture ourselves providing value in whichever way we want to. And we're imagining helping others and seeing the smiles on their faces and how much joy and happiness we're giving them. And they're so appreciative and so thankful for our help. And they're achieving their own goals and their own dreams. And now as our workday is starting to wind down, after we've helped all our wonderful people, we're going to lay down back in our bed after getting ready, either by ourselves or with our significant others. And we're going to lay down and close our eyes and hold this feeling, this wonderful day, this wonderful feeling. We're going to hold this. And whenever in our waking world, if we are dealt with negative experiences, we're going to remember this feeling and we're going to hold it. And we're going to have joyous experiences of this new reality, because the more we hold this feeling, the faster it will come to us, because our thoughts, our beliefs, and our actions will align. And now we're going to hold this feeling. Breathe in through your nose. Hold it, hold that feeling, and breathe out.